Step into a world of classic and cool with this meticulously restored and modified 1956 Chevy Bel Air. Under the hood lies a Corvette-sourced 5.7-liter General Motors LS1 V8, paired seamlessly with a 4L60E 4-speed automatic transmission, delivering 350 horsepower of pure performance. This Bel Air boasts a Currie 9-inch rear axle with a limited slip differential and 3.73 gears, complemented by a Ridetech adjustable air ride suspension, power steering, and 4-wheel power disc brakes. The 18 and 20-inch Billet Specialties Legacy II wheels wrapped in Delinte Thunder D7 tires add to its striking profile. The exterior gleams with Mazda Liquid Silver paint and matte finish trim, accented by a shaved header panel, fender toppers, and deck lid. Smoked glass, intricate headlights, and smoothed bumpers complete its sophisticated look. Inside, the custom leather interior features 65 Thunderbird bucket seats, a full-length console, and modern Alpine audio. Vintage Air climate control ensures comfort, while decoded digital VHX gauges provide a modern touch. Every detail of this Bel Air speaks of craftsmanship and passion. It's not just a car, it's a piece of automotive art. Explore this stunning Bel Air and appreciate its unique blend of vintage charm and modern performance.